has no effect yet, but the colors are not well matched. Today I will explain the small details of a cabinet. This cabinet is suitable for modern-style kitchen cabinets. The door panel is made of PC material, and the lower cabinet door is gray and the upper door is made of white sewer pipes. With sound insulation treatment, the exposed sewer pipes look better with the camera version. The white quartz stone countertop is made of the under-counter basin. A pull-out faucet is installed. In the later use process, it is very good to brush the bowl. Convenience. The bottom may be Supermaster. Our bottom must use the finished aluminum foil board as the position for processing the deodorant underground water line and the string cutting board cutting position, which is more suitable for the hidden cards of the hot and cold water pipes, which is not only beautiful but also beneficial to increase the kitchen cabinets. The storage space saves our feelings. There is no place to put it alone and make a pair under the bottom. It is blue and colorful. It is better to take it clean during use. The sound machine and cabinet have not been used. The position of the gas meter is very important in the early stage. Compared with the power supply of the sulfur gas alarm, why should the door be lifted first? Because the door is not on the lotus leaf. The hardware of the cabinet is also very important. Thank you for buying big brands such as ECC, which is long and durable. It is not easy to cause problems in the later period. It is recommended that the Preliminary Chamber of Commerce make liners and the kitchen countertops must be used in the user's car. Never use the pure color used for chamfering in the lecture on cutting the floor tiles of the American side near the ceramic tile room. Every time the pure color of the beauty joint agent is analyzed. The disadvantage is that it is not easy to construct. It is more difficult to breathe next time. It is recommended that you repair all the tiles in the new yin and yang. The corners are chamfered, which is more natural and beautiful, but it must be treated with anti-cracking. The kitchen has not been integrated before, and the lower board is processed first, so that the space that has been used is